In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with an American Express gift card on Amazon. We'll walk through registering your card, adding it to your Amazon wallet, using it at checkout, and a simple backup plan if the payment doesn't go through. I'll also share a few tips to help you avoid the most common hiccups. Start by heading to the American Express gift card website to register your card. This is important because registration attaches a billing address and zip code to the card, which most online retailers, including Amazon, use to verify your payment. Enter your information carefully and make sure the name and billing address you register are exactly what you plan to use at checkout. If the address isn't on file, the transaction may be declined even when you have enough balance. Next, log into your Amazon account and open your payments. You can find it under your account settings. Here, click Add a Payment Method and choose to add a credit or debit card. Even though it's a gift card, enter your American Express gift card details just like a regular card: the card number, expiration date, and security code. For the billing address, use the exact address you registered on the American Express site. Consistency matters here to pass Amazon's address verification. Once your card is saved, you can select it at checkout when placing an order. Before you do, double check your gift card balance on the American Express site and make sure it covers the full total, including tax and shipping. Amazon generally won't split a single order across multiple payment cards, so if the total is even slightly higher than your gift card balance, the payment may fail. If you also have Amazon gift card balance on your account, you can apply that first and then use the American Express gift card for the remainder, since Amazon allows a gift balance plus one card. If the payment doesn't go through, there's a reliable workaround. Use the American Express gift card to buy an Amazon e-gift card in the exact amount of your remaining balance, then apply that e-gift card to your account. This effectively converts your prepaid balance into Amazon credit, which you can use seamlessly at checkout. Just be sure you purchase an e-gift card that matches the available amount to avoid declines due to a shortfall. That's all there is to it. Register the card with a billing address, add it to your payments on Amazon, use it at checkout, and if needed, convert it to Amazon credit. Follow these steps and you'll be ready to use your American Express gift card on Amazon with confidence.